So dear students, once again welcome, and let us solve this question. This question is related to the beam. The beam is loaded with the various loads, point loads. You can see this is the point load, this is the point load, and also the inclined load. And there are two supports at the ends. This is the roller support, and this is the hinge support. Okay, let's the uh, uh, read the statement of the problem. Determine the support reactions for the beam AB. Okay, this is the A, this is B, loaded as shown in figure. Neglect the weight of the beam. So it's good in this question. It is mentioned neglect the weight of the beam. If it is not mentioned, means you have to neglect. And let us identify this problem. This is which kind of problem. And earlier, like we have different cylinders fitted inside the channels, like this one, and the channel. Okay, inclined, this kind of things. Okay, so these were the concurrent force systems. Okay, now this this force system is related to coplanar non-concurrent force system. Okay, and you might be remembering for solving this kind of problem, non-concurrent. So because all the points are not meeting at the same common point. Okay, so here we need to apply, we need to satisfy the moment equilibrium condition. Okay, and we can see here what we have to do. We have to find out determine the support reactions. Okay, so what are the supports here? Okay, two supports. Okay, at end and A. You can see here this is which kind of support. So at end A, roller support is there. ठीक है, ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, लाइक दिस इज ये फिर ये. So these three are rollers. Okay, ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है. This is suppose a beam. Okay, and resting on the roller. Okay, so a roller, and you can see here there is a roller, and this is the beam. And what is the beam? If you see, and what is the application of beam? So beam आप देख सकते हैं ब्रिजेस में होता है, हमारा मीन्स हाउस में होता है, to support the loads. Which kind of loads? Generally the vertical loads, and this beam is also you can see the mainly subjected to vertical loads. ठीक है, means so this is the beam, and the beam ka how it looks like. So length is much greater than the other two dimensions. Okay, and how it is making, what is means if we means if there is a roller support, what does it mean? It means that the beam can translate, okay, like this, okay. But what about the beam can go this side, can go this side, okay, can go means a vertically downward side, so no, okay. If there is no, then there is reaction, okay. मीन्स नीचे नहीं जा सकता, मतलब एक सपोर्ट रिएक्शन है ऊपर की ओर, ओके. एंड व्हाट विल बी द नेम ऑफ द सपोर्ट रिएक्शन? इट इज आर ए, ओके. एंड the another support is here at and B. Here you can see at B, this one, ठीक है. ये which kind of support? It is hinge support, hinge support, ठीक है. और pinned support also can say, pinned support, ठीक है. And it may be like that. Suppose we have seen in a problem like this is this one, okay, and something is suppose attached here, something attached here, some like that fan is there, okay. So how it is supported? So it is supported by the pin, okay, pinned support. मीन्स कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये ऐसे ही नहीं दिखेगा स्ट्रक्चर में, ये इस टाइप का भी दिखेगा. दिस यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, ओके. एंड नाउ सी, ये पिन्ड है, सो कैन इट मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन, मीन्स horizontal direction, either left side or right side. Can it move? No. That's why there is horizontal, R, B, H, H for horizontal. This is there, okay. No common means if there is no, means there is a reaction, okay. What about can it go downward? So answer is no, okay. Means there is R, B, V, okay. V means vertical direction, okay. So in this way means how to replace. So as we know, we draw FBD, we know FBD, and we have removed the supports, okay. This is and A, this is and B. So here this roller is replaced by RA, and here at B the hinge is replaced by R, B, V, and this is R, B, H, okay. You can see the direction of RBH, okay, vertically upwards. Why? Because this beam cannot go the vertically downwards, cannot go, okay. So to counter that, there must be a force, that is the reactive force. This is the reactive force. Okay. What about direction of this RBH? Right now we don't know. Okay. So that's why either generally we take towards the end of the beam. Okay. But if suppose we get answer RBH is equal to something in positive, okay, means our assumption for the direction means that is negative x direction, okay, it is correct. Suppose if we get minus and with some value, means our assumption is wrong. Okay, so its a direction, then its a direction will be R B H. Okay, so dear students, no need to worry about this. After solving, we get the answer in positive and negative. Okay, that says okay. सो मोस्टली बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज रहते हैं डायरेक्शन कैसा ले, ठीक है। तो डायरेक्शन आप जैसा भी ले आपका मीन्स दैट इज करेक्ट, एंड व्हाट वी गेट द वैल्यू मीन्स मैग्नीट्यूड विथ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, दैट विल से whether your assumption is correct or wrong, ठीक है। उसके बाद कुछ नहीं करना है, ठीक है। माइनस है तो इसका क्लियर कट है, ये क्या हो जाएगा लाइक इन दिस डायरेक्शन मीन्स पॉजिटिव एक्स डायरेक्शन, ठीक है। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सपोज दिस वी आर टेकिंग पॉजिटिव, दिस देन वी हैव टू टेक नेगेटिव। ऐसा नहीं कि इसको पॉजिटिव ले लिए और आपका मन चाहा तो इसको भी पॉजिटिव लिए, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। वी हैव टू बैलेंस। ओके, सो लेट अस कम टू दिस एंड एट दिस पॉइंट एंड एट D, this is the D. You can also name it and it is 2 meter, it is 3 meter, it is 2 meter. Okay, from here this force is 100 Newton and this is inclined. Okay, so after resolving, what will be inclined force can be resolved, suppose in this one. so ये क्या हो जाएगा, this will be 600 and not to that. Okay, so it will be sine 45 degree. This will be 600 and cos 45 degree. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं टू बैलेंस दिस द रिएक्टिव फोर्स, हमने जो हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स जो अप्लाई हो रहे हैं which we have taken in positive x direction and this is in negative x direction, ठीक है। तो ऐसे करके बैलेंस करना है and in this way we have shown, we have removed the supports and in place of that we have represented the force in terms of like RA, RB, H and RBV, and also there was only one inclined force which is resolved. Okay. Now what is our purpose? To get RA and RB. Okay, so let us satisfy the equilibrium condition Fx is equal to 0. Then what we are getting? So RA and plus RBV, and then other forces 600 sine 45 degree acting downwards, that's why with minus sign. Okay, and 100 this one acting downward side, that's why. Okay. And it is 100, so this unit no need to write here, is equal to 0. So RA RB V is equal to 600 sine 45 degree plus 100. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, this is actually Y. This is for Y direction. Okay, sorry for this, and let us Fx is equal to 0. So what we have, 600 cos 45 degree, and this is the positive sign, and RBH is equal to 0. So we should have started from here actually. ठीक है, जहाँ से हमें जल्दी, जितना जल्दी easily we can get answer. So from here obviously we can get, because only there are two forces, this one and this one. So RBH is equal to 600 cos 45 degree. Okay, then after this we should do this one. Okay, so RBH we have this. Okay, but how to get RA and RB? For that we need to apply the moment equilibrium conditions. So suppose moment about A I am taking, okay, and positive direction we are taking the clockwise. The clockwise we are taking positive direction. Okay, and the moment is about A. So what about this one, and 600 sine 45, we are talking about this one. If you see the beam, and then we have to multiply the distance and how it is acting. So आप देख सकते हैं from A, this is the A, and this is the point where the vertical force is acting. So it will try to, means this is A, and suppose this is C, this is C. Okay, and this force will try to rotate it clockwise, okay, about A. That's why positive. What about this, the force acting at D? Similarly, and here we have to multiply this 2 plus 100 into this one, from here to here 2, and from here to here plus 3. Okay, and one more force is there, and that is acting up in upward direction, so that will try to rotate the beam in the anti-clockwise. So RBV multiplied by the total distance of the beam, so it is 2 plus 3 plus 2 and is equal to 0. So from this, after solving, we will get answer of this. Okay, so if you see this, suppose this is the first equation, okay, so here we got the value of RBV. So from here, RA plus RBV is equal to 600 sine 45 degree plus 100. Okay, so what we get here after solving, we will get RBH is equal to get 40476 Newton. Okay, so this value we have to put is this one here, then we will get the RA and that is equal to 319.5 Newton. Okay, and already we have got from here RBH already we have got, and this is what RBH six hundred cos 45 degree is equal to 424.26 Newton. Okay, so in this way we have found out the reactions RA and RBH and RBV. So it is very simple. Once again, summarizing this, this problem is related to coplanar non-concurrent force. So always remember, there may be need to use the moment to satisfy the moment criteria, means summation of m, like this one, summation of m is equal to 0. Okay, and supports are there, so we have to replace them by the forces like vertical forces, horizontal forces, whatever. Okay, so in this way we have found out the reactions. Hope you will enjoy it by doing with this. Thank you. Enjoy.